Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact workbook and making a quick backup. This prevents mistakes. Once done, enable automatic calculation so formulas update as you work, and show the formula bar to inspect cell logic. Make sure named ranges and data types, text versus number, are correct before building anything complex. These early checks save time and prevent errors later, so you can confidently proceed to structure data and set up the sheets you will use next. Now you shape the data. Convert ranges to tables to get dynamic headers and easier formulas. Then write structured references rather than fixed cell addresses. This keeps formulas resilient when rows move. When a calculation is complex, split it into helper columns so each step is testable and readable. Use consistent formats, apply data validation where needed, and add a few sample rows to confirm logic. This middle work reduces debugging and makes later automation. To finish, lock and protect key cells and save a version copy so you can revert if needed. Once done, test outputs with realistic inputs and run the evaluate formula or trace tools to confirm behavior. If results look wrong, check mismatched data types and hidden rows first. A single troubleshooting tip: when a formula fails, step through it with evaluate formula. This reveals the exact point of error, so you can correct references or convert text numbers into real numbers and restore correct results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.